Alright, race number 9 on the track. Race number 10, your drivers are on the line next. Race number 9 on the track. Race number 10, drivers are up next. Second heat of Buggy, drivers will be up next. Aaron, you are in that race, along with the 7 on the sheet.
Woo. Gotta know how to...
I hate this jump.
My driver's coming around.
You're doing fine, just like that, man. Yep.
I always say that.
Yep.
Craig with a 35.5, John with a 36.1,
5 minutes left.
Ed with a 36.8, Mike with a 37.7, Kenny with a 39.1, Eric with a 39.7, Scott with a 43.2, Dennis with a 43.8, David with a 48.1.
Nice.
130 down, 430 left to go. Starting order is Craig, Mike, John, Ed, Eric, Kenny, Scott, Dennis, and David.
Yeah. Should I keep track?
Again, guys, the cones are where we want you standing out there so the guys can see the track. Just stand by the cone, they can see all the corners real good.
4 minutes left.
He's pulling.
2:15 down, 3:45 left to go. Craig with a 35.3, Eric with a 35.7, John with a 38.8, Kenny with a 36.3, Mike with a 43.4.
Come on, guys. I got you together out there. Come on. Stay together. Stay together.
Dennis with a 36.1.
Keep up with them, Eric.
33.9. Watch the foot spring right in the middle, guys. Right in the middle after the jump. Watch on the track. All clear. That's a scary marshalling spot, isn't it, Loud? Gotta be on a swivel.
Alright, here's Eric.
3 minutes left.
Gotta have eyes in the back of your head so you can see him coming. Halfway, 3 down, 3 to go. Craig, John, Eric, David, Dennis, Mike, Scott, Ed, and Kenny are running orders. And it's real close at 4th track tonight. Top 3 have a little bit of a gap. 3:30 down, 2:30 left to go. Craig with a 35.8, John with a 35.4, David with a 40.4, Dennis with a 40.4, Scott with a 39.3, Kenny with a 38.5, Mike with a 32.1, Ed with a 32.4, Eric with a 35.7.
2 minutes left.
4 minutes down, 2 minutes left to go. Craig, John, David, Dennis, Mike, Scott, Ed, and Eric. So looks like Eric is out too, Kenny is out, Dennis is out. So down to 6. Young drivers, this is race number 9, race number 10, second heat of Buggy. Drivers are up next. 4:30 down, 1:30 left to go.
Wide, Eric. Do the whole thing, you know.
Running orders, Craig, John, David, Mike, Ed, Scott. And your leader pace on the 11 at a 6:33.
Alright, let's go find John again. Oh, he's right there with Eric.
5 minutes down, 1 minute left to go. Craig, John, David, Mike. Scott. "35 seconds left to go. "25 seconds.
Much,
15 seconds.
much smoother through there, John.
"5 seconds, drivers, 5 seconds.